Wondering which die-casting brand is actually good? Wondering which tech is real and which is just marketing? Stop scrolling right now. This video is all you need. Today, I'm breaking down 6 top global die-casting machine brands and 7 full industry supporting tech leaders. No fluff, no empty words, only real technical differences. Only pros, only cons, only exact application scenarios. If you do machine selection, process optimization, or factory line planning, keep watching. First, let's talk about the China Die-Casting and Non-Ferrous Expo. This is Asia's most authoritative die-casting industry exhibition. It gathers top manufacturers and tech experts from over 60 countries. It covers new materials, smart equipment, green processes, and high-end molds. This expo is not just a show. It's the global trendsetter for die-casting technology. Now let's talk about the global industry situation. For decades, Europe and Japan ruled high-end die-casting. European machines are famous for ultra-precision closed-loop processes. Japanese machines dominate high-speed, low-defect production. But the game has totally changed. Chinese die-casting tech is leading the world right now. It's no longer cheap manufacturing. It's leading the industry in large integrated heavy-duty molding, breaking industry boundaries with magnesium alloy semi-solid low-carbon technology, and setting new standards for full-line smart automation and reliable mass production. More stable output, better cost performance, faster tech iteration. The global die-casting tech competition is happening right here in China. All right, let's jump straight into the 6 mainstream die-casting brands. I'll tell you exactly what each machine does best and where it fails. Number 1, German FRECH, the high-end process benchmark. FRECH is not just precise. It is the only brand with full in-house R&D for the entire production chain. Melting, temperature control, vacuum, molding, digital iteration, all self-developed. It fixes 4 big industry headaches: porosity, unstable mechanical performance, short mold life, and non-replicable processes. FRECH cold chamber machines work totally different from regular machines. It uses independent modular hydraulic circuits. Every single movement has separate pressure and speed control. No impact during mold opening and closing. No shaking during high-speed injection. The built-in remote system checks hydraulic pressure, oil temperature, and valve loss in real time. It predicts faults early, 0 dimension deviation for precision mass production. For large tonnage models, FRECH uses exclusive OE efficiency algorithms. Normal machines only chase speed and pressure. FRECH optimizes machine stability, yield, and operation rate altogether. Perfect for new energy vehicle structural parts and safety parts. It fixes uneven filling, cold shut, and residual stress on huge integrated parts. Greatly improves the pass rate without heat treatment. For zinc and magnesium tiny precision parts, FRECH hot chamber machines are unbeatable. It fully separates mold closing and injection movements. Regular machines have linked movements, causing flash and size errors. FRECH adjusts injection curves in milliseconds. Temperature fluctuation is controlled within ±2 degrees Celsius. No flash, no shrinkage, no uneven surface. Truly top tier for 3C and precision hardware. Its real barrier is 4 connected self-developed systems. Multi-zone mold temperature control extends mold life over 30%. Swiss vacuum system keeps porosity below 0.1%. Boosts part strength 10-20. Austrian quantitative melting system stops oxidation and slag from the source. Digital platform makes every process recordable and repeatable. No more relying on senior workers' experience. FRECH weaknesses: high cost, low value for mass cheap parts. Local after sales slower than domestic brands. Best only for high-end benchmark lines. Number 2, HAITIAN, the mass production stability king. HAITIAN is not about extreme precision. It's about super stable, low failure, 24/7 mass production. If you hate big production fluctuation and high maintenance cost, HAITIAN is your answer. HAITIAN HDZ hot chamber machines have smart buffer injection, fast filling, slow down at the end. No splash, no flash, saves tons of post-processing work. High rigidity templates stay accurate after years of running. Patented energy-saving furnace cuts power consumption by 30%. Perfect for 3C and home appliance non-stop production. 80 cold chamber aluminum machines are built for long-term heavy work. High-pressure stable oil supply, laser quench templates. No deformation, no collapse after tens of thousands of cycles. Speed and pressure are fully adjustable. Pressure repeat accuracy is super high, zero parameter drift. Built-in for 1,000 sets of mature processes. New operators can run stable production with one click. HAITIAN's biggest trump card is the HMG Magnesium semi-solid process. No melting furnace needed. No SF6 greenhouse gas. No fire risk for magnesium material. It turns magnesium particles into even semi-solid slurry. Lower molding temperature, almost zero porosity. 100% material recyclable. Super large models can mold huge magnesium lightweight parts in one shot. HAITIAN weaknesses, not for ultra-thin ultra-precision parts. Not for high-end medical or military die castings. Best for standard industrial and auto parts mass production. Number 3, LK Global Magnesium Alloy Low Carbon Tech Leader. LK owns the most disruptive semi-solid die casting technology. Its core advantage is low temperature, energy saving, safe, high toughness, zero emission. Perfect for new energy lightweight and dual carbon factories. LKM series machines do not melt magnesium into liquid. They turn particles into uniform spherical semi-solid slurry. Filling is stable, no violent turbulence, no air entrapment. Energy saving up to 50%. No magnesium fire risk, no protective gas needed. Solves magnesium alloy's biggest industry pain points once and for all. The upgraded TPI 2.0 module is a game changer. Higher toughness, lower waste, longer service cycle, zero carbon emission. It can switch between traditional casting and semi-solid casting super fast. Full tonnage coverage, from tiny precision parts to large structural parts. LK weaknesses, focused only on magnesium alloy. Not good for super large aluminum integrated heavy-duty parts. Number 4, TOYO Japan Ultra Precision High-Speed Load Effect Benchmark. TOYO's every upgrade targets one thing: fewer defects, higher yield. Best for thin-wall, complex, high-precision parts. The BDV7X series hits 100 grams ultra-high acceleration injection. One of the fastest in civilian industrial machines. Filling speed is 14% faster than older versions. High-speed flow crushes big bubbles, refines tiny pores. Greatly improves finished product yield. TOYO's exclusive dual throttling system is super smart. Inlet throttling for thick parts, no shrinkage porosity. Outlet throttling for thin parts, no cold shut, no flow marks. Compact structure offers higher clamping force in limited space. Ideal for old factory renovation. Its secondary pressure compensation completely fixes thick part shrinkage issues. The intelligent control system tracks every waveform in real time. Precise fault location, oneclick parameter backup, automatic quality reports. Supports remote control and multi-machine centralized management. Less manual adjustment, more stable quality. Matching energy-saving brushing and electric kits cut cost further. TOYO weaknesses, not rigid enough for super large heavy-duty parts. Not for big vehicle body or battery housing mass production. Number 5, YIZUMI China's heavy-duty integrated die casting sealing. YIZUMI builds machines specifically for new energy super large parts. It solves big part deformation, flash, uneven filling, and pressure lag. The only Chinese brand competing with international top heavy-duty machines. HII and DIECASTING series have faster pressure buildup and higher control accuracy, fast injection speed, and fast response. Perfect for super large cavity rapid filling. Over 2,500-ton models adopt 6-guy deculum high rigidity structure. Stress optimized, no template offset or deformation after long high-pressure production. Super stable for vehicle bodies and battery housing mass production. Low-speed laminar filling makes aluminum liquid flow smoothly. Almost no air entrapment or inclusion. High-pressure secondary feeding eliminates thick wall porosity. Shorter hydraulic pipes mean faster pressure response, less pressure loss. Strong anti-interference ability, no parameter drift in harsh workshops. YIZUMI's YICAN smart system monitors every production data in real time. Early warning for faults and abnormal processes. Seamlessly connects with factory MES and ERP systems. Full automatic die casting island support, fully CE certified. YIZUMI weaknesses: too heavy duty for tiny ultra-precision thin parts. Not suitable for small high-precision component production. Number 6. MANFRED Professional Die Casting Post-Processing Automation Leader. MANFRED is different. It does not make molding machines. It focuses purely on post-trimming, sawing, and finishing. It fixes low efficiency, manual error, deformation, and edge chipping. Perfect supporting equipment for all die casting host brands. QB Series high-speed servo trimming machines are industry top level. Fast punching speed, high repeat positioning accuracy. Covers all sizes from small 3C parts to large car body parts. Flexible stamping adjusts force automatically by material and thickness. No workpiece damage, no deformation, no chipping. Flip station handles complex special-shaped parts easily. High hardness SKD11 mold steel, long service life, no edge curling. Modular design saves maintenance cost. Smart sensor avoids empty punching and misalignment. Sawing station delivers flat burr-free cutting surfaces. Siemens control system stores 50 sets of product formulas. Oneclick switching, super fast model change. Strong dust-proof and high temperature resistance. Built for tough workshop conditions. MANFRED weaknesses: only post-processing. Cannot provide independent full-line molding solutions. Now let's quickly run through the 7 core supporting industrial chain brands. These brands complete the full die casting tech closed loop. 1. Bull Intelligent Professional Magnesium Semi-Solid Molding. Large tonnage for big magnesium structural parts. Medium and small tonnage for 3C and automotive precision parts. Semi-solid spherical grain technology greatly improves part toughness and strength. Higher salt spray corrosion resistance, perfect for vehicle and outdoor parts. Exclusive thick wall anti-shrinkage and thin wall filling tech. No furnace, no SF6 gas, huge energy and material savings. 2. Wilcam Group Top High-End Mold Base and Precision Processing. Ultra-high precision processing for super large die casting molds. Every mold part goes through professional stress relief treatment. No deformation, no cracking after long-term use. Cooperates with global top steel mills, stable and reliable mold quality. 3. Longley Intelligent Robot Automatic Grinding and Polishing. Covers full die casting machine tonnage range. 3D Vision plus AI compensation corrects workpiece deviation in real time. No uneven grinding, no missing grinding, no overgrinding. High precision deburring, 24-hour unmanned production. Dust removal system meets full environmental protection standard. Solves grinding labor shortage and unstable quality problems. 4. Digong Precision Machinery Precision Cleaning, Laser Cutting and Spraying. Professional deep hole and cross-hole high-pressure cleaning. Removes internal oil dirt and tiny burrs completely. High positioning accuracy, no dead cleaning corners. Fast cycle speed, perfect for mass production. Matching laser cutting and automatic spraying deliver smooth, high-qualified finished parts. 5. Shanghai Zhenji Full-Line Die Casting Island Automation. High-temperature resistant industrial robots for die casting workshops. Smart release agent proportioning, stable and defect-free. Full process unmanned production for all tonnage die casting machines. Dual robot collaborative operation for super large integrated parts. Full digital and intelligent workshop solution. 6. Wanfeng Technology Full Process Post Finishing. Multi-axis CNC grinding for special shaped and super large parts. Constant force grinding avoids workpiece damage. Smart hydraulic trimming machine adapts to different alloy materials. No deformation, no chipping, fully compatible with all mainstream die casting hosts. 7. Shinkai CNC Professional Die Casting CNC Deburring. Customized for harsh die casting working conditions. Handles gate, flash and surface protrusion flaws perfectly. Dual station design greatly improves production efficiency. High batch consistency, yield rate stable above 99%. Low failure rate, easy to deploy, fits old and new factory upgrades. Let's do a super simple Expo selection summary for you. FRECH, high-end load-effect benchmark lines. Not for low-budget mass parts. HAITIAN, stable mass production for standard parts. Not for ultra-precision high-end parts. LK, best magnesium alloy low-carbon solution. Not for big aluminum-heavy parts. TOYO, high-speed ultra-precision thin parts. Not for super-large heavy-load production. YIZUMI, king of large integrated aluminum parts. Not for tiny precision components. MANFRED, best post-processing matching. Cannot do independent molding lines. The supporting chain covers every link: molding, mold, grinding, cleaning, automation, and deburring. It forms a complete tech closed loop for all die casting upgrade demands. Alright guys, that's all today's hardcore tech breakdown. I've covered every brand's true strength, weakness, and exact application. Make sure you follow and stay tuned. Episode 3 is coming next. In the next video, I'll drop the Expo Coast Performance Equipment Matching Guide. I will tell you exactly which machine combination saves you the most cost, which setup fits your product type perfectly, and I'll show you the hottest tech booth highlights on site. If you are upgrading your production line, or preparing new project procurement. If you are looking for reliable equipment suppliers and stable technical solutions, leave a comment or DM me directly. I will do unknown brand matching, solution customization, and Expo visiting guidance for you. Help you pick the right equipment, avoid detours, and save your budget and time.